Gracie, what you doing? Gracie. You. Hi.
Let me see the tickets, please. What was her response? I didn't get a response from her. It came back to me in the mail. All right. Later. You want to tell me about the tickets, ma'am?
I paid some tickets, but
paid all of them?
No, I did not.
All right. How much have you failed to pay?
It's $440 something.
Yo, your shit goes in the home.
Yes.
Huh?
Six to be precise. What is your other ticket?
Y'all
The
going
car
tonight?
insurance that she felt.
Nah, we go tomorrow.
Agreement that she would pay
Yes,
all
that
of the
she.
costs?
Oh yeah, we don't go tomorrow. My fault. Forgot.
Huh?
We don't go tomorrow.
I've asked her on several occasions if the tickets will be paid for, if we could sit down and talk, transfer my title.
Grace going there. Grace, what you doing?
Tickets, but why would I keep playing tickets if you're not giving me my title? And this is where I pay for the tickets, and this
No,
is
we know.
where
We've acknowledged how much you owe, the
I understand.
balance.
But
Grace fell on the floor. Look at her. What she doing? She sleep.
Okay.
Auntie girl, you think she sleep?
I have my own insurance.
Okay, and that was the agreement.
I ain't heard from
If I
that.
had my own insurance, she was supposed to take me on.
She had a nap?
That was the agreement. You take me on,
Yeah,
I
she
get my own
took a nap.
insurance.
Okay, it was
Interesting. Very, very interesting.
January 11 through 7/11. You paid that amount?
Yeah,
How much per month?
95.
All right, ma'am. She has evidence that she paid for 7 months.
And it's the breakdown for the cash that I paid her for my portion for 3 months.
The tail movie.
I have that here.
That Gracie tail move. Look at her.
For an additional 3 months.
The 3 months that I was covered under her insurance.
Gotcha, ma'am.
Yeah, I have a breakdown of all the insurance that I pay, and
I'm not
my
aware.
bank statements when it came out of my account is every month to the day.
Not
You
aware.
have your bank statement.
Yes, sir.
How much was the insurance per month?
Her insurance was $109 and some change, $109 and some
I paid
change per month.
$166 per month.
Hold on. And she failed to pay September, October, and what other months?
December. Of
Gracie, you sleepy?
2010, January of 2011.
What else?
Gracie, are you
February,
sleepy?
March 2011.
Look at the tail movie.
May 2011. June 2011.
Auntie girl, you think she tired?
2011.
I was covered under my own.
You ain't tired. I reckon.
September
He's
2011.
fat. I might be tired.
2011. November 2011.
She fat. She might be tired.
December
Hey.
2011.
Auntie girl, you think she fat?
February 2012.
Oh, God.
You sure it just, might not be, the size one night and stuff like that?
And yours was effective
Can she run?
January of 11
Yeah, she
through
could run.
July.
She run fast, ain't it?
You let her know that.
Yeah, I should have ran up that tree. The other case from my house.
The
The other
last
case
cash
come
payment,
on.
I paid her. I told her I can't afford this insurance that you're on. I can get my own.
Ran up the tree.
Your Honor, I was not
She
aware.
cut the tree like glue in it.
Judge Mathis gives the verdict when he returns.
Auntie girl, can you do that?
And later.
I wish I can.
I walked in and there was schizophrenia.
Can't do it.
Yeah, me neither.
From jail.
Correct. I did go to jail.
What did you go to jail for?
The Gracie, does she know how to fight, ain't it?
Illegal possession of alcohol by
Yeah, everybody fine.
That's
Gracie been through a lot, and she like a war. She's like a soldier, ain't it?
all the plea
Yeah,
bargain
she's
they
fine.
reduced.
Gracie the soldier.
If she don't fight, but she might, she might fight.
Yeah.
She fight every, okay, or something.
Yeah, she don't fight people, do she? She fight other animals, ain't it? Like cats and stuff, ain't it?
I ain't never seen it.
Yeah. She might do it on the low, ain't it? She might do it on the low. She's like an undercover secret agent service. Something like that, ain't it?
With over 3,000 costumes,
You think Gracie be running for her life?
50% off. Kmart is the seed for Halloween.
She got all
He was 14. One day,
Must be.
you're going to the doctor. I needed to get a second opinion.
Which kind of,
He contacted cancer treatment centers.
she nice to people, ain't it?
Find out more.
Was that the cat that was chasing her, was that cat big?
Cancer. Go to cancercenter.com.
ain't big enough.
Prostate or
Was it bigger than Gracie?
You can also
That's
use
like what
private
it is.
insurance plans.
Oh, it was chasing. It was. Oh, it was trying to beat her up.
Unique treatment options.
Yeah,
Passion that
I don't know.
be copied. Why?
Probably the baby mama drama. See what I'm saying?
Not only their expertise, but their
I don't know.
humanity.
Probably the baby mama drama.
Well-organized patient-centered care.
Yeah, probably the baby mama drama. Maybe so.
Every minute counts when you're fighting complex or advanced stage cancer.
Gracie sleeping.